family was born the little girl in 1909. Little did they know someday she would make a mark in time. She looked just like an ordinary child, this Evelyn Stone. 31, she found true love and made his name her own. One day in 44, fate took its course as it passed by. She responded when she saw the ad that said, "Come learn to fly." The first time in the sky, she knew this would be her dream. It came true in 45 when she got her private pilot wings. Like a bird, she's soaring high. There among the eagles in the sky, on silver wings, the clouds go by. This lady was born to fly. Like a bird you could find her, flying through the years. She made her way into the record books while everybody cheered. Awards and commendations soon filled her wall. That would have been enough, but she kept flying through it all. Someday when her life is over, she will take her final flight. She'll be soaring higher to a new world out of sight. We could only ask her of the greatest flight she could recall. She'd smile and say the last one was the greatest of them all. Like a bird, she's soaring high. There among the eagles in the sky, on silver wings, the clouds go by. This lady was born to fly. This lady was born to fly.